In this video, we will be looking under the hood of Salesforce and see what makes it tick. We look at data models, objects, object manager, and the schema builder. We will look at a persona of a small business owner, Jenny, who sells handcrafted keychains and how she manages her business. We will relate it all back to the data model in Salesforce to see how the platform can help her run and grow the business. We will look at a very simple business case study here just to get to understand the Salesforce data model better. Jenny runs a small business selling handcrafted keychains. She manages her product line, which involves keeping track of different models of keychain. She closely guards her Rolodex or list of customers to whom she sells her products. These customers can be people or companies that give corporate orders. Jenny does send emails to her loyal customers when she launches a new model. She then needs to track orders placed by the customers that contain the details of the products ordered. She manages all this using Excel, Word, email, calendars, and her office is full of sticky notes filled with scribblings from all the calls that keep her busy throughout the day. Jenny decides to start using Salesforce to run her business and finds things so streamlined on the platform. In this section, we will start using some Salesforce terminology like objects, records, and relationships. We will also now refer to the standard Salesforce objects like leads, contacts, accounts, and so on. We will look at all of these in detail later on. For now, just try to understand the business flow. Jenny starts to create lead records for potential customers or prospects. When she feels the leads are ready to do business with her, she converts them and creates account, contact, and opportunity records. At this point in the course, we will keep it as simple as that. Although in real life scenario, you will deal with many more objects and relationships like product, opportunity product, and even create custom objects for the business like say keychain models and keychain bookings and keep track of the stages of readiness of the various models and their life cycle. To understand the schema builder in Salesforce and understand what objects, records, and relationships mean, we will just look at a simple data model comprising of lead, account, contact, and opportunity. Let us take a look at those objects in the schema builder in Salesforce. So in the setup screen, type schema and select schema builder. You will be presented with a screen that will make you shut down the computer and run far away. Fight that urge and stick on. Let us make this simple. First, let us understand the schema builder. On the left, you see a list of all the objects in Salesforce. You can think of an object as a database table that has fields, relationships, and holds data in the form of records. Or you can think of an object as a spreadsheet where the fields are the columns and the data in the object represents the rows you see on a spreadsheet. You currently see all objects are selected and hence a big mess of objects and relationships is presented to you. Let us clear all and select only the objects that we saw in the previous slide, which shows a very simple data model. So select lead, opportunity, account, and contact from the schema builder. The palette on the bottom right hand shows you the layout of the objects, and you can move the selector panel to move around in the schema builder. You can also zoom in or out to arrange the selected objects and get a better view. Now we see just the 4 objects in Salesforce that we were working with in our previous slide. As you can see, lead is a standalone object and does not have relationships with any other object. When a lead record is converted, it creates a new account record, a new contact record, and optionally a new opportunity record. If you hover on the relationship connector, you can see that contact has a lookup relationship to account object. Similarly, opportunity also has a lookup relationship with the account object. Contact also has a relationship to itself. If we look at the field, it has a reports to, and the lookup is another contact record. So in this way, an object can have a lookup relationship to itself to another record in the same object. Account also has a hierarchy relationship from account to account. This, I guess, is the parent account. Yeah. So that's the parent account hierarchy field, and that allows you to view the account hierarchy. We'll cover that in subsequent videos. The schema builder gives you a quick view of the objects, their fields, and relationships. Now let us look at these objects in a bit more detail in Object Manager.